Aloha kako. This is a quick run-through of how to use this three-fold pamphlet template. The first thing you want to do when you open the file is save it to your templates chooser by going to File, Save as Template, and Add to Template Chooser. The pamphlet will be added in your templates chooser, and that will make it much easier the next time you need to create a new pamphlet, because all you would need to do is go up to File, click on New, select My Templates, and select the three-fold pamphlet template. So let's take a look at the pamphlet template. The blue lines that you see on the screen are guidelines that show you the margins for each of the panels. These guidelines will not show up when your pamphlet is printed. Down here in purple are the labels for each of the panels. On the first page you have your cover panel, your center back panel, and your left back panel. If you scroll down to the second page, you'll see the three panels that would be on the inside of the pamphlet. These labels will show up when you print your pamphlet, so before you print, make sure to click on the text boxes for the labels and delete them by pressing Delete on your keyboard. To add text to your pamphlet, you would click on the text button here at the top of the window, and a text box will be placed on the page. I'm just going to drag it here to the cover panel and fit it within the margin. To edit the text in the text box, you double click and start typing. To format the text that is in the text box, you highlight it and select from the formatting options that are here on the right hand side. I'm going to make this bold and a little bit larger and center it on the panel. To add an image to your pamphlet, you can either drag an image directly from your desktop and drop it onto your document. You can see here that the image is quite large, so I'm going to click on the little white box that's at the corner of the image and drag it inwards to make it smaller so it will fit on one panel. You can also add an image to your pamphlet by clicking on the Media button here at the top of the screen and selecting from the photos that are in your Photos app. I'm going to select this red lehua, and I'll need to resize it so that it will fit on this center back panel. When you're ready to print your pamphlet, go to File, Print. In the print window, you would click on Layout, Xerox Features, and under two-sided printing, you would select the two-sided print Flip on Short Edge. When you're done, go ahead and print.